In this tutorial, I'll be talking about methods. The method is basically the manner in which the form is being processed, and these are known as HTTP methods. There are different types of HTTP methods. But for the level of this tutorial, we're mentioning two types of these methods. The first one is GET, and the second one is POST. And from the application of these different methods, the differences between two of them will become clearer. So let us apply the methods in our form. So the first one, let us apply GET. So all we have to do is to write method, and here you have GET. Another attribute we need to add to our inputs is name attribute. This attribute is like the key to identify what the user entered into this particular field. So this is like a key, and the value the user entered will be the value. So in this case, this is name. The key can be name also. And in the case of email, we also have the name, the key. This is email. So we have our processor, and our method is GET. When we submit this form, let us check the browser and see what will happen. So let us refresh this. Let's write the normal URL, which is index.html. So this is our form. When we submit the form, this is our processor, and you can now see this is the key we entered into the field. We have name and email. This is name and this is email. And if you put values here, let's go back. Assuming the name is Adewale and the email address is adewale@gmail.com. So let's reduce this. So if you submit, you can see that under name you have the name of the user, and email you have the email address of the user. So this is when we are using GET. If we change our method to POST, and let us refresh or go back to our index.html page. So if you are using the same thing, so if you submit the form, you can see that we only have form processor.php without the values of the name and the email here. So with this, we know some of the differences between GET and POST. So because of this, while keeping very sensitive information, it is better to use POST. And POST is majorly used when you are sending something to the server, and GET is basically used when you are retrieving information from a server.